Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to check for obstructions using the Starlink app on an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Starlink app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, look for obstructions and check for obstructions. Tap on it to continue. The app will ask you to use your camera. Tap allow. This lets the app see the sky through your phone. Now tap start scan. Hold your iPhone up and point it toward the sky. Slowly move your iPhone in a circle following the on-screen guide. Keep moving your phone until the scan reaches 100%. This only takes about 1 minute. When the scan is done, you will see the results. Green or clear skies mean good signal. Red areas means trees, building or objects are blocking the view. Choose the spot with the least red areas. This is the best place to install your Starlink dish, and that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.